This is my vlog for today, guys, here in Chicago. I'm gonna go to the grocery to pick up some ingredients for the torta. We'll cook torta today in Lengua. So we're heading to the grocery to pick up some ingredients for the torta in West Farm. So it's 70. The temp today is 70, so a little bit cold and cloudy today. We're heading to Press Farm to get some ingredients for the torta. So we'll make torta today, guys. Press Farm. Cherry plum? Cherry plum. All-purpose flour. No. All-purpose flour. $3. $3.
Deli, line 1, please. Deli, pick up line 1.
Baking powder. $2.39. Carnation. Milk. Carnation. And then all-purpose baking powder. And all-purpose flour. Butter. Alright guys, yan ang grocery namin sa Press Farm. Tapos na kami mag-grocery, guys. Bake some torta. We have flour. We have the carnation. There's carnation milk. Then we have egg. No.
2 cups of flour.
And then
2 cups of sugar.
okay.
1 cup vegetable oil.
Okay.
1 cup evaporated milk.
Milk.
And then a teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
And then 8 egg yolks.
Egg yolk.
Eight
Okay.
egg yolks.
Okay.
Okay, kakahan.
So that's our, what do you call this one?
Torta.
Torta.
Egg yolk from the egg white.
Egg white.
Yeah. All egg yolk. Yeah.
8 pieces of egg yolk. 8 pieces of egg yolk.
Yolks.
Egg yolks. Put the...
Okay, you have to have 1 cup of. Okay, the sugar pala is ano to? 2 cups of sugar, pero akong ibutang ko lang 1.5. Ha? Okay na?
Oh,
Okay, at single, itong ison. Huh? I think it's okay.
1 cup.
1 cup, 1.5.
1.5.
Okay, ko
1.5 of sugar.
1.
1.5 cup of sugar.
Okay, mo siya di daw tamisan. Let's see how it, ano. Oh, I don't like this. Like the other one. Sunod ito ang kwan. Okay, put this down. No, don't touch that. Put it down.
Down.
Okay, so that's 8 egg yolks. And then you have to cream. You have to cream the egg yolks.
Okay.
You put sugar. You gotta cream the egg yolk and the sugar together. Creamed it until it's smooth. You just have to do it gradually. Just like that. It takes a while. Do it slowly so that it will be creamy.
Okay, we will preheat the oven, guys, to 350 degrees. Okay. Put some oil. 1 cup of oil.
1 cup of vegetable oil.
Oil.
Yeah. 1 cup of vegetable oil. Where's the other part?
Here. Huh? Tulo na? Yeah, put 1 cup of milk.
You have to do it alternate. You know, you put the milk, a little bit of milk, not too much, and then you put some flour. This is we're using self-rising flour, so we're not going to use
All-purpose flour.
No, self-rising.
Pricing.
Yeah, you don't need baking powder anymore because it's in there already.
Okay, that's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Just for the flavoring for the torta, guys, the vanilla. Butter.
You have to butter the muffin tin or the mold. We call them the mold.
Mold, yeah.
Torta mold.
It will not stick on the...
The bottom.
What do you call this one?
Okay, you pour the batter into the mold. Ito ta, pakita. just half, so it doesn't go over the mold in the paper. Kulang pa yan.
In the oven. Okay.
15 to 20 minutes only.
15?
Yeah.
15 to 30 minutes?
20.
20? Okay.
Okay.
Start now.